The library plays an important role in our academic and social lives. The library helps us to share new ideas and perspectives. In this digital era, the confusion about the library demands a professional consultancy for its fruitful existence. The design of the library plays an important role in the library culture. We have an experienced consultant with clarity about the designing of a modern library, namely Reverend Dr. John Neelankaval, CMI. He did his PhD in library building designing and has been a consultant for many libraries. He put his great support, interest, and paid attention even to the minute details. Natural lights, a variety of spaces, colors, textures, and patterns used in the interior design created enlightening experience for book lovers. NAC is giving much importance to the library in many ways. As an infrastructure, students support facility, the heart of the learning space, etc. The library plays a significant role to attract a higher score in NAC accreditation. The principal of Bishop Kuryalassery College for Women, Amalagiri, is sharing the experience she had with Reverend Dr. John in library consultation.
I am the principal of BK College, Amalagiri. It is a great dream to have a separate building for our library as the Golden Jubilee Memorial. The Golden Jubilee Library of BK College, a center for integrated knowledge covering all aspects of academic studies and research material, is indeed a fruitful byproduct of a long-cherished dream. This happened only because we got the right person, Reverend Father John Neelankaval CMI, as our consultant. His guidance and support was there even from the stage of planning, and still it is continuing.
The librarian role is constantly changing and expanding. Librarians are now actively facilitating the learning and research process. The library of BK College for Women, Amalagiri, was visualized and designed by Reverend Dr. John, which brought the highest rank of NAC accreditation recently. Here comes the librarian of BK College, Amalagiri, expressing her gratitude to Reverend Dr. John Neelankaval, CMI, for his excellent service for the library designing.
When we celebrated the Golden Jubilee of the college, to develop a research culture in the college is our emphasis. To support this aim, as a librarian, I took steps to provide all the facilities in the library. The tremendous increase in the number of library visits is a clear evidence for that. A fully automated and digitalized library was highly appreciated by the NAC team during the 4th cycle of reaccreditation. The students can conduct group discussions and do self-study in communion with nature. As Cicero said, if you have a garden and a library, you have everything. This is our dream. Our sincere thanks to Reverend Dr. John Neelankaval for his support and guidance.
The vision of the management to allocate a new site of the art building for the library to secure the highest score in NAC infrastructure availability criteria. The calm and serene atmosphere of the library attracts the inflow of personnel. We all know how the library plays an essential role in students' life. Let's hear from them.
My name is Femi John. I am a second year MSc Chemistry student. It's my privilege to say a few words about our library, which is rich in legacy, profound, subtle, sagacious and reflective, which provides the students of BK College, not only for PG students as well as for our UG students, to explore vast knowledge about various fields, not only based on the subjects, but also it gives information or knowledge about GK as well as for preparing various competitive examinations. So many books are available here and it's a blessing for us. And I want to say about the ambience of this library, the sculptures, the paintings and the reading corners, which are very precious to us. We used to come here and sit here due to its conducive atmosphere and the panoramic view which is available here, which gives a refreshness. So the sentiments that I need to express is the warm appreciation to the SABS congregation for providing such a beautiful, awesome library for all the students of BK College. It's a spot of attractive place in our college. Thank you.
This is about one college. Reverend Dr. John Neelangaval CMI had extended his library consultancy for 50 plus libraries including Nirmala College Moachpura and Rajagiri College Autonomous Kochi, recently accredited with the highest rank of NAC. His ongoing consultations include St. Thomas College Autonomous Thrissur, Maharajas College Autonomous Kochi and CMS College Autonomous Kottayam. Libraries are important cornerstones for society. It is not only providing the opportunities to learn and research, but also providing a valuable social life and developing healthy communities.